Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a first impression review of the Moyou London rectangular clear stamper and 3 of the stamping plates, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. So here is the package and we're going to open it now. I don't know why, but I was expecting for the items to just be inside this packaging, but no, as you can see, there is another paper package inside. So here they are. The bubble wrap was torn by customs, so this is not how it was originally wrapped. Here is the stamper. The box got a bit crushed, but thankfully the stamper didn't break. I originally wanted the 3-in-1 stamper, but at the time I made my purchase, it was out of stock. And here are the stamping plates. Here's what the stamper and scraper look like. This is the Zodiac 10 stamping plate. This is the Holy Shapes 19. And the last one is the Zodiac 20. I have this kit also from Moyou London, and I wanted to make a comparison between the stamper that comes with it and their clear stamper. With this stamper I made this many. This was my first ever stamping nail art in general, and I think it looks pretty good for a first timer. This is the scraper. The design you get is random if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, the two scrapers are the same size. This is what this stamper looks like. It has a soft, sticky head. Compared to the clear one, lengthwise they are the same, but widthwise the clear one is a bit smaller. The head of the clear one is a little less sticky and a bit harder. I'm going to be testing this stamper with 5 different plates, including the ones showed at the beginning of the video. I'm going to be testing the stamper with the Zodiac 20 plate first. All of the nail polishes I used in this video are linked in the description. This is the FAIRYTALE 9 stamping plate, one of the 2 plates included in the kit I mentioned before. This is the FAIRYTALE 6, the other plate from the kit. Now the Zodiac template. I don't know if it was the plate or the lighting that was making the polish dry too fast, but I had a hard time with this. This was the only time I'd achieved a perfect transfer, and by the time I tried to place it on my nail, it didn't stick to it. This was the best I could get after that first try. For the Holy Shapes 19 plate, I wanted to see if the thickness and pattern of the lines were going to affect the performance of the stamper. And as you can see, all of the designs picked up perfectly. This is the end result. I'm quite happy with how the stamper worked with my stamping plates, except for the rose design. I'm going to keep working on that one though. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!